Hi guys, my name is Julia. Welcome back to my channel, Cashmere Affair, where I focus on fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. Guys, as you can see, there is a Chanel box in front of me, so that means I'll be doing an unboxing. So, first off, let me give you a backstory. So March was my birthday and I had planned to get a Chanel 19, but when I went in the store just before the lockdown, they were out of the 19 that I wanted. So I put my name on the list. So in October, in October, I got a call, went into the store, tried it on. I'll insert a pic right now. And I wasn't feeling it. Like, I was not feeling that 19 bag. It's black. I don't know. I think it's the drop that I'm not liking. It's kind of too long for me. So I told my SA I wanted to be on the list for another bag. So I got the call on last week, and yeah, now I have the bag that was really on my long-term list, not present list. The 19 is still on, but I'm just looking for the right one, even though I'm not really liking the drop. But the 19 is still on. So I dropped this bag at home, and then my nephew was the one who literally tried to open. That's the reason why it's tied like this. But my sister did a great job. I told her she can get a job at Chanel. Yeah, she's good at tying it back. So I didn't see it. This is my first time opening the box. So let's see what's inside. Okay. Oh my God. It's still sealed. Oh my goodness. But let's try and... So here it is. Oh my goodness. Oh my God. Oh God. So this is the mini flap with the rectangular shape, and it has the gold hardware, and we have a lambskin. Oh my God, this is so gorgeous. So I think we do it like this, and we've got rid of that, and I'm so excited. And the main area, and there's another little pocket here, and another one with the zipper, and it says Chanel. This is so gorgeous, and you can fit a bunch of stuff inside here. It's big enough. So yeah, and we do have the Chanel sign here. Pocket right here, and it does have the pocket at the back. Oh my God, this is super gorgeous. So yeah, it's a mini flap bag, gold hardware, and it's lambskin, and I paid $3,800. With the tax, it was $4,173. And yeah, oh my God, I really love it. Let's see, how do I take this off? Oh yeah, so it's more of a champagne gold. It's more of a champagne gold than gold, and yeah, this is so gorgeous. I will try it on for you guys to show you the drop. But yeah, this is just perfect. Like mini bags, I'm so into mini bags. And my SA told me that Chanel will no longer be... Let me get rid of this box. Chanel will no longer... Well, Chanel no longer makes the minis in caviar leather. because I thought I was gonna get caviar because that's what I ordered, but she said no. She said no, they're only doing lambskin. So I guess if you need caviar, you'd have to go to the resellers market and get that. And oh my god, yeah. So why I got this purse from Chanel new and not a reseller's market is because I wanted my first Chanel bag to be from a store. Like, I wanted it to be new. I wanted to be able to just have my first Chanel bag being something that was not used before. Like, I didn't want someone to have my bag before. My second purchase can definitely be secondhand. I don't mind. What I'd say is the experience in store is fine during this pandemic. It's best to make an appointment because there are always a line outside. So when you have an appointment, you just get straight. You bypass whatever line it is, no wait time, and you go straight in. So that's what I like about going straight into the store instead of joining a line, because who wants to be in a line for 30 minutes, half an hour? It's terrible. And yeah, I'm excited for my little mini bag. Like, I'm so into minis. This is so gorgeous. I'm not scared of the lambskin as well. This is like super gorgeous. I love it. Oh my god, I love it. I love it. It's just classic. You can't go wrong with a black bag, and you can't go wrong with a Chanel classic bag. Like, how gorgeous. I'm so scared of colors. Guys, let me know down in the comments what you think about this bag. Would you purchase it new, or would you go to the resellers market? I want to know what you guys think. If you like videos like these, please do not hesitate to like, comment, and subscribe to this new channel. And guys, please let me know what you'd like to see next. Thank you guys so much for watching.